if u equal to root of a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus root of a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta, then difference between maximum and minimum value of u square is asked. So we have to first start with finding u square. What is u square? Without too much steps, we can just look at this and say what is u square. U square means there are two terms, then squaring this means first this term is some x and this is some y, then u square is what, x square plus y square plus 2xy cos 2xy. So here x square means this term will come, that is it's a square, that is a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus y square means this square root, this is a root term, then when I square I will get this, that is a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus one remaining term is there, that is 2 into this x into y, that is 2 into root will come, root of a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta into a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. So these three terms will be there. So here we are seeing a square cos square theta and a square sin square theta is there. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So here when I will collect it is a square into cos square theta plus sin square theta plus same type b square into cos square theta plus sin square theta will come, and plus the remaining 2, this multiplication term will be coming, 2 into root something into root something will be there. So here this will become a square into cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So here this will be a square plus here this will be b square plus 2 root some root of this term will be there. Now let us calculate what this will become. This term is what? 2 into root of a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta into a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. So if you look at here, you will see that inside this root what we will be having 4 terms, that is multiplication of this into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. So 4 terms will come. First term will be a square cos square theta into a square sin square theta, that is a raised to 4 sin square cos square theta. Same type of this into this will be coming, that is b raised to 4 sin square cos square theta, and this into this, that is a square b square cos square theta cos raised to 4 theta plus this into this, that is b square a square sin square theta into cos square theta sin raised to 4 theta. This much terms will be coming. So here what we will be getting is 2 into root of, here I can take sin square theta and cos square theta outside, then I will be having a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 plus from these two terms I will be taking a square b square outside. So what I will be having inside, cos raised to 4 theta plus sin raised to 4 theta. Now I will substitute this to my u square. So what was u square? U square is equal to, I got a square plus b square already, plus this root term was there. So here I will be having root 2 into root of this, I will substitute here, that is a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 into sin square theta cos square theta plus a square b square into cos raised to 4 theta plus sin raised to 4 theta. Now in order to simplify this thing, what I have to find is, I have to simplify this for the power terms. I can only do here something. Here sin square theta cos square theta is remaining, and if I look at here, this I can see this is cos raised to 4 theta and sin raised to 4 theta, means cos raised to 4 theta means what, cos square theta all square, and this is sin square theta all square. So I can get this in a simplified form as, just look at here, If I say cos square theta plus sin square theta all square, if I am finding this, I will be getting an expression, this expression from its expansion. Here I know that this is what a plus b all square, that is a square, that will be cos raised to 4 theta plus sin raised to 4 theta plus 2 cos square theta sin square theta. This I know already. What is this? A plus b all square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A is here cos square theta and b is sin square theta. But I know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So this is what 1 square, that is 1, is equal to cos raised to 4 theta plus sin raised to 4 theta plus 2 cos square theta sin square theta. From this I can derive an expression for cos raised to 4 theta plus sin raised to 4 theta in terms of cos square theta into sin square theta. So what I will be getting, just look at here, what I will be getting, cos raised to 4 theta plus sin raised to 4 theta is nothing but 1 minus 2 cos square theta sin square theta. Now I can substitute this thing in my previous expression here, then this all inside root, inside this root, all terms will be only in terms of cos square theta and sin square theta, its product. Here also I have this, and here after substituting this for this I will get here also cos square theta sin square theta will be coming. So what I will do, I will substitute this thing, this I can mark as sums 2 in this one I will be substituting here. So what I will get, u square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 root a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 into sin square theta cos square theta plus a square b square into, here I was having cos raised to 4 plus sin raised to 4, for that I will substitute this thing. So 1 minus 2 cos square theta sin square theta, I will be having this thing. Now again I can simplify this. Just look carefully. I will be taking some simplification from here. Just look. This is a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 sin square theta cos square theta. Here also I will be getting minus 2a square b square sin square theta cos square theta. So when I take sin square theta and cos square theta common here, what I will be having, a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 minus 2a square b square. This I am getting here plus I will be having a square b square term here. Now look, a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 minus 2a square b square is nothing but a square minus b square all square, that you know already. So a square plus b square plus 2 root, this will become a square minus b square all square sin square theta cos square theta plus a square b square, because a square minus b square all square is what, a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 minus 2a square b square. Now we have to check how sin theta cos theta, this term can be simplified. We know that sin 2 theta is what, 2 sin theta cos theta. If it is so, this is sin 2 theta, okay. If this is so, I have to get sin square theta cos square theta, means I will square this. So what I will get, sin square 2 theta, this is sin square 2 theta is equal to 4 sin square theta cos square theta. From here I am getting sin square theta cos square theta as sin square 2 theta divided by 4. I will substitute that here. What is, from this what I am getting is sin square theta cos square theta is nothing but, I am just taking for this side, I will get sin square 2 theta sin square 2 theta divided by 4. I will substitute this thing in this expression. So I substituted sin square 2 theta in the place of sin square theta into cos square theta, sin square 2 theta divided by 4. This whole thing is coming inside the root. Okay. So now we know that sin square theta, you know that minus 1 less than or equal to sin any theta, any angle less than or equal to 1. But sine square theta will go in the range 0 to 1 only, because sine square theta is always positive, so it can be from 0 to 1 only, it can't go minus 1. Even if sine theta is minus 1, sine theta or sine 2 theta, if it is minus 1, its square will always be from 0 to 1 only. So I know the range of 0 less than or equal to sine square 2 theta less than or equal to 1, because sine square term can be from 0 to 1 only if for any angle theta, 2 theta or theta or whatever. If this is so, I have to find what is the range of this. For finding this range, what I will do, divide by 4, means 0 less than or equal to sine square 2 theta divided by 4 less than or equal to 1 by 4. If it is so, what I have to find is a square minus b square all square into sine square theta. So I will multiply every term by a square minus b square all square. So this multiplied by a square minus b square all square is equal to 0 only, is less than or equal to, here a square minus b square all square into sine square 2 theta divided by 4 is less than or equal to a square minus b square all square divided by 4 into 1. This is 1 by 4 into a square minus b square all square. So now we know. So in order to find the minimum value of u square, I have to give u square is what? A square plus b square plus 2 root a square minus b square all square into sine square 2 theta by 4 plus a square b square. So in order to find the minimum value of u square, I have to give minimum value of this thing. Minimum value of this thing is 0. I said that minimum value of this thing can be from 0 and maximum value is a square minus b square all square divided by 4. So I will substitute the minimum value here, then I will get the minimum value of u square. Other all terms are fixed. The only thing that determines the minimum and maximum is when theta is changing. When theta is changing, this values maximum and minimum is changing. So minimum is 0. So I substitute 0 here to find the minimum value of u square. That is what here, when I substitute 0, what I am left with is root 2 root a square b square, because this term is 0. 2 root a square b square is what? 2ab. So I will get the minimum value of u square. U square minimum value is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2 root a square b square plus 0, because this term is 0. I substitute here. So this is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b all square. This is the minimum value of u square. Now I have to find the maximum value of u square. Now the maximum value I have to find u square max. U square max happens when I am substituting a square minus b square all square into sine square 2 theta's maximum value is what? A square minus b square all square divided by 4. When I substitute it here, what I will be getting? A square plus b square plus, just look at it carefully, a square plus b square plus 2 root, this root term will be, there will be two terms. One is a square b square plus next term is this maximum value, that is a square minus b square all square divided by 4. I have to simplify this to find u max. So I will simplify u square max value, that is what? A square plus b square plus 2 root a square b square plus, these all are same, and I substitute maximum value of a square minus b square all square sine square 2 theta divided by 4. Its maximum value was a square minus b square all square divided by 4. Now I will simplify this. When I am simplifying, just look at this expression, I am simplifying this. Here I will take 4 as LCM, then root of 4, here 2 will come, so 2 by 2 will be there. This I am taking root 4 outside, and LCM I took as 4. So what I will be having? 4a square b square will be there here, and here a raised to 4 will be there, b raised to 4 will be there, minus 2a square b square will be there. Again I simplify this thing. What I will be getting? 2 by 2 will become 1, and here what will be there? A raised to 4 plus b raised to 4, 2, 4 minus 2, that is 2a square b square. This is what? Root of a square plus b square all square. Now all square and root will go, then what I will be having is a square plus b square. This is the only this term. So our u max is I was doing only for this simplifying. So here a square plus b square is there with me. So u max square is what? A square plus b square plus this term. That is what u max is. U max square is 2a square plus 2b square. We already found a minimum, u square minimum, that we found as a plus b all square. So now what we have to find is, we were asked to find the difference between the maximum and minimum value. So what we have to find is u max square minus u mini square. That is what? 2 into a square plus b square minus a plus b all square. What will it be? Just look here, its expansion will come. It will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. From that I am minusing here. So here one a square term will be there and one b square will be there, and here minus 2ab will be there. That is what? A minus b all square. So this is our final answer.